Introduction. Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of our favorite superfoods, avocados. These little green powerhouses aren't just delicious, they also come with a ton of amazing benefits that you might not be aware of. So, whether you're a guacamole lover or just starting to incorporate avocados into your diet, stick around to discover 10 incredible benefits that make these fruits a must-have in your kitchen. Segment 1. Nutrient-rich goodness. Let's kick things off with the fact that avocados are jam-packed with nutrients, from vitamins K, E, C, and B6 to potassium and folate. They're like a nutritional treasure trove that supports various bodily functions. Segment 2. Heart health. Did you know that apples are heart-friendly? The soluble fiber in apples can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Plus, the antioxidants present in apples support overall cardiovascular health. Segment 3. Weight management. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, apples are your friends. Their high fiber content helps you feel fuller for longer, curbing those hunger pangs and aiding in weight management. Segment 4. Weight management buddy. Believe it or not, avocados can actually help with weight management. The fiber and healthy fats keep you feeling full and satisfied, curbing those pesky hunger pangs. Segment 5. Eye-catching benefits. Your eyes will thank you for adding avocados to your diet. They're rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that support eye health and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Segment 6. Bone booster. Don't forget about your bones. Avocados contain vitamin K, which is crucial for bone health and helps with calcium absorption. So, they're not just good for your taste buds, but for your skeleton too. Segment 7. Digestive dynamo. If you struggle with digestion, avocados might become your new best friend. Their fiber content aids in digestion and keeps things moving smoothly through your system. Segment 8. Blood sugar balancer. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is important, and avocados can play a role here too. The healthy fats and fiber help regulate blood sugar spikes, making them a smart choice, especially for those with diabetes. Segment 9. Brain boost. Did you know that avocados are brain-boosting foods? The monounsaturated fats support healthy blood flow, which in turn nourishes your brain and enhances cognitive function. Segment 10. Versatile and delicious. Last but not least, let's talk about their versatility. Avocados can be enjoyed in countless ways, from classic guacamole to smoothies, salads, sandwiches, and even as a butter substitute in baking. Their creamy texture and mild flavor make them a culinary delight. Conclusion, and there you have it, folks, 10 incredible benefits of avocados that make them an absolute superstar in the world of nutrition. Whether you're aiming for a healthier heart, glowing skin, improved digestion, or just want to savor their deliciousness, avocados have got you covered. So, why wait? Start incorporating these green wonders into your diet and reap the rewards. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share the avocado love with your friends. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.